You are a drama queen. It's time for us to make our garden egg sauce. So I'm going with my palm oil.
Vegetable oil, you guys.
Palm oil from the palm tree.
Let's pour in a little bit of sardine oil, okay? Okay, for that fragrance.
So we go in with our pepper. I pounded it so that it can be rough like this. I don't know the blender that can give us this one.
My grater can do that.
Oh, your grater.
Yeah.
In my palm.
Oh, where's the onions, mommy?
It's inside.
Oh, okay.
I pounded
the onions and the pepper together.
Yes, sweetheart.
Anyway, you guys, my onions, our onions, okay? We're not going to waste time like mommy. This is my scotch bonnet pepper and my tomatoes, diced tomatoes, okay?
I add my crayfish to the pepper and the onions I pounded. Then our okwehe. What is local sauce without okwehe? Oh my God. Ooh! See the aroma.
Tipsy Spicy, say hi.
They have decamped. They have decamped.
They are with me for life, right? You guys.
They didn't answer you. So we go in with our dry fish, catfish, properly washed. You know something about this sauce?
You're putting dry fish,
yes,
mommy.
because you can even if you want to eat it with rice,
yeah,
you can go ahead and eat it with rice.
Let's just give her some credit.
Now let's go with the garden
mommy,
egg.
immediately.
Yes, you know we boiled it already.
I'm going to just give this a quick stir. We'll cover this and allow our sauce to fry before we pour in the eggs and the sardine.
Okay, we'll be going in with our seasoning now and our salt, the seasoning powder. She is learning something. She will not agree. And our salt. She won't agree. Anytime I come to this your kitchen, you will learn something. But you will not agree.
What am I learning?
Oh, you just thank God for the mother you have. Now,
But
see,
this sauce is
look at
looking
this, my sweetheart.
Hey.
You can use this one to eat rice. You can use it to eat yam, like I said, like we're going to do today.
This is entering my eyes.
It will enter.
Look at the egg sauce is entering my eyes. But I refuse. Team egg sauce.
Where are
with
they?
sardine.
They have lost.
They are
They
there.
have lost.
They are there.
Disappeared.
They did not go anywhere. We are together.
Yeah, with you.
With me.
Oh my God. Okay,
Okay,
finally.
Let me test now. When we put fish inside.
No. When women be cooking, be eating fish, then you before the soup reach your husband's table, there is no meat again.
Oh, we need to taste it now. We'll taste it with the fish, mommy.
Take this small. What did you say? What did she say?
I can feel your
David, come.
Mommy, onions again.
Yes, now.
For what now?
Every yam you take, it's going with love, joy, peace, strength. She loves. What's happening there?
We are waiting for
You are waiting. She's stammering. And then you are telling me, look at this tea and look at that. You say I should eat yam today with this one.
Oh, but this is nice.
Sweetheart, it is well. David, when you finish with the camera, you come and take this one, yeah?
David, who are you going with?
Let's watch to the end.
Ooh,
This is filling. You eat this with rice.
is the onion not too much?
No, you have eaten whole meal.
So guys, it's time for us to woo. Yeah.
What is that? It's not by power, it's not by might. It's not by dancing tea.
I'm going to pour in our sardine.
Okay, now.
I have some fried sausages or whatever. Just
Okay, that's that long something.
yeah, the long something.
Okay.
Then we're going to stir together. Mommy, shifty. Shift,
Okay.
please. Don't
I'm
look at
watching
this.
something.
We're gonna stir together.
How many eggs?
4. I'm going to pour this in. Woo. I'm going to just sprinkle in some vegetables for that color pop.
Which vegetable are you using?
F4.
F4. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Somebody just me because of my exos.
Agba.
I
Well
will
done.
not mind them.
Mhm.
I will not mind them. I will not mind them because I know I am the winner.
There is God.
Behold our exos.
Okay. Behold our garden egg sauce.
Okay. So, garden egg sauce versus premium egg sauce with sardine and some rishi.
I don't need to tell you the things that are inside here. It's too much.
What is the knife for?
Dry fish. Okay, the knife.
Yeah.
That reminds me, T. When we eat yam like this, you serve it and then you sit with your sweetheart, your husband, your children, the family. Then you peel. As you are peeling, you are gisting. I told you before that we cook with our hearts. As you are peeling, you are gisting. Then when you peel the yam, you will now, cut. See. And there's this bitter taste. What's that? This girl can. You are a drama queen. You are a drama queen.
This is so nice.
So let me try.
Yeah, let's start this.
We don't let the fork not choke me.
Not too cute.
Or you people must eat with fork. We use our 5 fingers. How about you? How about you?
Mommy, this one and this one.
How can you compare this now?
How can you compare this to this?
With your church mind. You will not lie, you.
I will not lie.
With your church mind.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, taste it. Anyway, you've seen our recipes, right? Try it and then you tell us when you tried the two, which one do you think is the best?
This is spicy. Say yeah.
They are your people.
Mommy, thank you for coming to our kitchen.
Thank you for having me.
We love you.